Hi everyone, I'm Szenanphua from Acupuncture-Local School. Today I'm going to show with you two cases of scoliosis. Now scoliosis is pretty difficult to treat, right? With acupuncture, who would think that acupuncture would be able to treat it, right? Yeah, I'm going to show you two cases. Well, this is the first case of scoliosis treatment with JiYi acupuncture. As you can see here, in this one, right, this will be the middle one. Go from here, what you can see, touching the ear. That's pretty bad, right? That is right after the treatment, as you can see. Much better. It's not perfect, but much better. Well, in this case, as you can see here, it's after, in Chinese over here, it's after surgery that scoliosis happened for 3 years. It has been for 3 years. And this is a case from a student in China who just watched the webinar. So not even in the workshop, and it's from the free webinar. Then he learned. Have a look. As you can see here, straight away. As you can see, right after treatment. That is amazing. Right? Now, all these two cases are under JiYi acupuncture treatment. And I have JiYi acupuncture free webinar for you. Now, in November 2022, today is the 6th of July 2022. Now, that's about 3 or 4 months away that we are going to have a workshop in Malaysia, that you're going to learn all this technique that you will be able to treat scoliosis. Now, if you want to join the class, please click the link down below. We have two links. One is free JiYi acupuncture webinar. The other one is Malaysia JiYi acupuncture workshop. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.